Hi everyone, today I'm going to quickly show you how to make the genetics vocabulary foldable. It is 9 words and then 8 lines that we're going to end up drawing across this paper. All of the words I'll show you again so that you can see what all the vocab words are and then what goes on the inside, more specific details in just a moment. What you're going to need for this foldable is a piece of paper. We used like this peachy kind of color in class, a pen or a pencil, scissors, and a ruler. To start, we're going to fold this paper the long way, or hot dog style. So now we have one piece of paper folded in half. Next, you're going to take your ruler and starting at the top every 3 centimeters, so 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to put like a little mark. That way I can turn this paper and draw a line straight across where that mark is. So now I have, let me turn it this way. So now I have a spot to write my vocab word that's about 3 centimeters. And I'm just going to keep moving my ruler down the paper, placing a dot every 3 centimeters. All right, and then I'll draw my lines across. Now, like I said in class, I think that this foldable is going to be one of the most important ones that you do in terms of vocabulary foldables all year, just because so many of the words in genetics, they can be so easily confused, like heterozygous and homozygous. Those tend to be the ones that everybody kind of gets mixed up a little bit. All right, so I actually have like a little bit extra at the bottom here. I'm going to leave it, and then this one section is just going to be a little bit bigger than the others. The next thing that we're going to do is take this foldable, unfold it, and then on the lines I'm just going to cut only on the line. So I'm not going to go all the way through the paper. That way this eventually becomes a flap that I can open up and have the words inside. Alright, I'm going to leave you guys to keep cutting that, and in the meantime, now that you know that you need to cut on those lines, I'm going to show you once again what the words are and what needs to be on the inside of this foldable. So working our way from the top down, the first word is allele. Let me see if I can make this a little closer for you. Alright, so allele, genes, inherit, genotype, phenotype, dominant, recessive, homozygous, and heterozygous. Now I wrote these words on the left side of the paper here because on this side I have all this room where I could draw in a picture or a little sketch that's going to help me remember what that word is. For example, here's a student work example. We have the word and then an illustration to help us remember what that word means. And then all the way down, we have an image for everything. On the inside, so that's on the outside. On the inside, when you open up this flap, there's going to be a spot for you to write your definition right on the inside. So this is going to be the first thing that you see when you open up this little door or flap. And then on the back side of this front, there's going to be a spot for you to write a sentence. Once you're comfortable with being able to use the word, you'll be able to fill this in. Alright, I hope that this helped you guys figure out how to put together this foldable. I am checking this in class. Thanks for watching.